Imagine waking up every day feeling more confident, productive, and happier than the day before. What if you could improve your skills, health, and mindset in just a few simple steps? Self-improvement isn't about being perfect. It's about growing into the best version of yourself. Whether you want to boost your career, build better relationships, or just feel more fulfilled, small changes can lead to big results. In this guide, we'll explore the key areas of self-improvement in easy English. You'll learn practical tips to transform your life, one step at a time. Ready to begin? Let's dive in. Mental health and mindfulness. Your mind controls everything, your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Improving mental health is the foundation of self-growth. How to improve: practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're thankful for every day. Meditate daily. Even 5 minutes can reduce stress. Limit negative thoughts. Replace "I can't" with "I'll try." Take breaks. Rest improves focus and creativity. Question for you. What's one negative thought you can replace today? Physical health and fitness. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. You don't need extreme workouts, just consistent habits. How to improve? Move daily. Walk, dance, or stretch for 30 minutes. Eat nutritious foods. More veggies, less junk. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Sleep well. 7 to 9 hours for energy and recovery. Tip: start small. Swap soda for water or take the stairs instead of the elevator. Emotional intelligence. EQ is the ability to understand and manage emotions, yours and others. High EQ leads to better relationships and success. How to improve? Identify emotions. Ask, "Why do I feel this way?" Listen actively. Focus fully when others speak. Stay calm under pressure. Breathe deeply before reacting. Empathize. See situations from others' perspectives. Thought to ponder: how would you handle a difficult conversation differently with higher EQ? Time management and productivity. Time is precious. Managing it well reduces stress and boosts success. How to improve? Prioritize tasks. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on what gives the most results. Avoid multitasking. Do one thing at a time for better focus. Set deadlines. Break big tasks into smaller steps. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications when working. Quick challenge. Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of work, 5-minute break. Financial literacy and stability. Money doesn't buy happiness, but managing it well reduces stress. How to improve? Track spending. Use apps like Mint or a simple notebook. Save first. Aim to save 10 to 20% of income. Avoid debt traps. Use credit cards wisely. Invest early. Even small amounts grow over time. Question: what's one unnecessary expense you can cut this week? Communication skills. Great communicators build stronger relationships and opportunities. How to improve? Speak clearly. Avoid filler words like and Improve body language. Smile. Make eye contact. Be concise. Get to the point politely. Practice public speaking. Join groups like Toastmasters. Tip: record yourself speaking to spot areas for improvement. Continuous learning and skill development. The world changes fast. Keep learning to stay ahead. How to improve? Read daily, books, articles, or podcasts. Learn new skills, free courses, ask questions. Stay curious. Teach others. Sharing knowledge reinforces learning. Challenge: pick one new skill to learn this month. Building confidence and self-esteem. Confidence is a skill, not a gift. You can build it. How to improve? Fake it till you make it. Act confident until it feels natural. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge progress. Dress well. Good appearance boosts confidence. Face fears. Gradually, start with small challenges. Affirmation: I am capable and growing every day. Networking and relationship building. Your network affects your success. Build genuine connections. How to improve? Be helpful first. Offer value before asking for favors. Stay in touch. Message old contacts occasionally. Attend events. Meet new people in your field. Be authentic. People trust realness over fakeness. Action step: Reach out to one person you admire today. Finding purpose and passion. A life without purpose feels empty. Discover what drives you, how to improve. Try new things. Explore hobbies and interests. Reflect on joyful moments. What makes you happiest? Set meaningful goals. Align actions with values. Help others. Purpose often comes from contribution. Deep question. What would you do if money didn't matter? Your journey starts now. Self-improvement isn't about overnight success. It's about daily progress. Pick one area to focus on this week. Small steps lead to big changes. Final challenge. Write down one improvement goal and take action today. Remember, you are a work in progress, and that's okay. Keep growing, stay patient, and enjoy the journey.